protection. What is up, everyone? It has been a hot minute since I have been on the channel or posted a video of this, and I think it's time. It's Sunday before the mini nats, which I am leaving for on Thursday evening, Thursday afternoon sometime. But why not get a video out and give you guys an update of where I'm at? The reason I haven't really posted anything is I haven't been on the rear suspension too much, as much as I've been just doing little stuff on the motor. I didn't really deem it as exciting, so I haven't really been filming it. But I will show you where I'm at right now. I do have footage. I don't remember when the last time I posted this was, but this is where I'm at now on it. I'm gonna look for footage right now when I'm editing this, and if I find some of the stuff that I have, I'm gonna drop it right now. But that's where I'm at. So here's where I'm at. Bridge plate all welded in. I still need to do some final finishing welding stuff. Everything's fully welded up. It's just some of the stuff that I want to make good that you're going to see that I'm going to smooth out. That's just the stuff that I have yet to do. I got to order the other 2 wheels. I'm going to order tires. I'm going to go get the paint. I got to paint the wheels before I put the tires on. I got a core support. I did get that. The other one was completely rusted out. I don't know if anybody remembers that when I tore it apart. I don't even know if I have it on video when I tore it apart. I got a hood. One thing I always liked was the GMC Sonoma hoods and stuff, because the S10s were all smooth and the GMC hoods had kind of a bump on the ends, had a little body line in them. Just a little flare. But my other hood fell over when it was outside and got all dented. So that was another reason I had to get a hood. But that's that. I mocked the fenders up, which I took one off now. But I gotta get some light on that. Let me get some light. It's kind of dark. Alright, I had to shut the garage door because the lights are there. So, I got a header for it. Got most of the motor, well, the motor end. The only thing I haven't bolted down was the, I didn't put the torque converter bolts in yet. But, I kind of started mocking up the water lines. I need some fittings for them to get them on there. I need to clean up the metal lines and stuff. But, the other mess that I have, as you can see, is the wiring. So I'm basically taking wiring out that I don't need. AC, airbags, that's about it. Stuff, extra wiring I don't really need is what I'm gonna take out. But I want to clean everything up. I got like 100 feet of braided, which it's in the package. It's a split braided sleeving that looks better than the corrugated stock plastic stuff that was all breaking apart. So, kind of see this stuff is just it's way better. You can see here I started, no, you can't see that, but I started putting it on the main harness coming out of the firewall. But I gotta lay everything out and figure out where I'm going to go with it. So, what do I have to do on the rear suspension yet? I gotta box in the frame where the notches tie in at. And that's about it. I gotta drill the holes in the frame for the bed, but it's really about all I have to do. grind some stuff down. I'm either gonna get a stock gas tank because it doesn't fit back in the location where the stock tank was, all because I ran the shocks where I did, which is from there down to the axle. And what happens is the stock gas tank comes back, sits about here in this area, and it would just hit the shock. So whatever. I mean, the main goal from the beginning was to run the stock tank, but it's not really a big deal. I mean, running a fuel cell isn't as bad. I just got to either get a fuel pump, or if anybody knows if I can actually run a stock fuel pump inside of a fuel cell. I don't know if that's possible, but let me know if it is. I'm assuming I would just need a GM fuel pump, in-tank fuel pump. But yeah, that's where I'm at with it. So anyway, yeah, the whole interior is dirty, so once I get most of it back together, I'm gonna start ripping the interior out and getting that all cleaned up. As far as the bed, I gotta cut the bed out. I kinda wanna like sheet around certain stuff. It's not gonna be a smoothed out bed at all. It's just maybe throw some tubs in it, and then I'll be getting body panels for the bed, basically roll pan stuff. I'm doing a Cali combo in the back, shaving the taillights, and probably doing Cadillac taillights because I'm an old school mini trucker and that's what I like. So I always thought if I ever did a newer S10 like this, that's what it would get. It would get all the old school S10 stuff that I grew up looking in mini trucking magazines at. So that's where I'm at. As far as seeing everybody down in Maggie Valley this weekend, I'll be down there. Come up, say hi. You'll see me. I mean, I'll have my whole camera set up, but I know there's going to be a lot of other media footage there. So I'll be the guy that doesn't look like he knows what he's doing. So anyway, that's where I'm going to end. I'm going to throw some footage in here that I've had for a couple weeks now that I just couldn't really figure out how to put it into a video. So enjoy that if you want to. But yeah, I'll see everybody down in North Carolina Friday. Peace out.